Hello, we are going today to learn how to import a CSV file into our MySQL Workbench. First of all, the first step you have to do is to create a schema or a database. Schema is another definition or another name for the database. So we have to create a new schema, give it any name, for example, new database, and click apply, 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 finish. If we look here, we will find our new database. If we open this database and click on tables, it is actually empty. We can now import our CSV file, which is actually a table, in our database. Just by right click here on the database or on the table itself and choose this table data import wizard and browse to choose the CSV file, and I will choose my this file and click next, 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 finish. Yeah, okay. And if we refresh like this, we will see now our new table right here. And if we want to check the data on it by selecting the first 3 rows, first 1000 rows, it is like this.